This is how you're going to create a new project on Figma. Projects in Figma are like folders that organize your design files. First, you're going to go to the Figma home screen, which is the main dashboard that appears when you log in. And then on the left sidebar right here, you're going to locate the project section, or you may also see it as all projects right here, just below your draft section. Now, from your projects tab, you can find all of the existing projects that you have here. So if you want to create more projects, all you have to do is you have to click on the project right here at the top right corner of your screen. You're going to click on the project button, and then from there you're going to enter a descriptive name like website redesign or mobile app version 2, and then after that you can just create your first file. Now, just make sure that you have your professional account. You're not currently on the starter plan, because you can only have one project when you're on their basic or free plan. So you have to upgrade in order to have a new project. Now, if you have upgraded and you have created a new project, you can now create your first file. After creating the project, all you have to do is to create the design file button inside the project area to start your first redesign or design or prototype file within that project. But that is for another tutorial, so stay tuned. And that is how you can create a new project on Figma. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.